What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got a new unboxing. We got some new gear for our travel setup. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we got some new gear for our travel setup. I know you guys are wondering what it is. Here we go right here. The Apollo Solo. Like I said, this is simply for our travel setup to be able to have a light setup on the move. I usually travel with an Apollo Twin, but that needs power and it gets a little heavy at times. This Apollo Solo runs off of the power of the computer. So look, what we're gonna do, enough of me talking. Let's head over to the table and do an unboxing. Let's go. All right, fam. So here's the packaging. We have the Apollo Solo. This is the Heritage Edition. I already pretty much have all of the Heritage plugins. Here's what the packaging looks like. Very well packaged, of course. You know, you guys know how UAD, how they get down. So here's the back. Here's the real-time analog classics. You get the UA610B, the Marshall Pixie Classic guitar amp, precision delay, precision reflection, precision channel strip, the Pultec EQP, Pultec Pro EQ Legacy, the raw distortion guitar pedal, the Real Verb Pro, the Ampeg SV2 VR bass amp, Teletronics LA2A, the 1176 LN, and the 1176 SE. So this is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like. You have your outputs, you have your two mic lines, and you have your USB-C. Again, this is what the unit actually looks like. All right, let's get this thing opened up. I have not looked at this yet, so we're gonna be looking at this at the same exact time. Let's crack the top on this thing. Hold on, before we do, as you see, the authentic sound of analog. Let's crack this thing open. Doom, doom, doom. Whew. UAD, always good with the packaging, man. Got this Apollo Solo sitting front and center. But, okay, that's what we came for, so let's get this out of the way for right now. Of course, got your UAD book, got your get started guide. Is that everything? Oh man, don't come with the cord? UAD, you did me like that? Okay. I guess it doesn't come with the USB-C cord. It'd be too much like right if it did. Let me double check before I talk junk about UAD. It definitely did not come with the USB-C cord. UAD, come on, man. You guys know better than that. People spend all this money. The least you can do is give them a USB-C cable, man. Come on, dog. Anywho, let's get this get started guide out of the way. Let's look at what you guys are here to see. Here's the Apollo Solo. And just like any other Apollo UAD product, any other Apollo, this thing is built very, very well. I like this little pad they have underneath so it can't really slide. Yeah, this is amazing. This is got amazing build quality. Got your input, got your 48 volts, got your pad, got your link, got all your buttons here, got your preamp monitor, your knobs. This thing is very, very well made. You can plug in your guitar up front, plug in your headphones. Again, there's your USB-C. You have your outputs. You have your mic ins and out. Your mic ends, two mic ends, mic or a line. This thing is very, very, very well built. Like I said, that's pretty much all I got for this unboxing, man. To get this thing set up, I'm gonna run some tests with it. I'm gonna use it to see if it actually works for me. Does it actually work for the setup I want to use it for? And I'll come back, man, after I run some mixes through it, after I get some time behind this Apollo Solo, man. All right, let's go. Yes, sir. That Apollo Solo looks fire. I can't wait to set it up and get it working. And I'm definitely going to come back and let you guys know what I think about it. My old travel setup was the Apollo Twin, man. It just became a little bit too bulky, like I said. And you always got to have power. We don't always have power when we're traveling. You guys know that. So this Apollo Solo actually works perfect. And since I've been mobile a lot lately, I've kind of gotten away from the Apollo plugins and kind of moved in other directions, or use their new plugins where you don't actually need the Apollo, which has been coming in handy. But I still do use a few that I really don't want to get rid of, that I can't get rid of in my setup. So that's why this Apollo Solo is definitely going to come in handy. Do you have an Apollo Solo? Are you using one? Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. Do me a favor, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.